All right, we did it. We are down to the last modifiers lesson. And the lesson this week is, where does the word only go? So only modifies sentences, and it should immediately precede, that means come before, the word or group of words that it modifies. If it's placed elsewhere, the sentence's meaning may be unclear. Look at an unclear sentence right here. Maria only has her German class on Friday. Does she have her class on any other days? Is that what we're after? Then it should be Maria has her German class only on Friday. That first sentence, that unclear sentence, it makes it seem like that's all she does on Friday. She only has her German class on Friday. She's got nothing else going on in her life. That's not clear. The second one, Maria has her German class only on Friday. Now we know she has her German class just on Fridays. Here's another unclear sentence. They only went to the movies on the weekends. Really? Did they do anything else? If we're trying to say that they only went to the movies on the weekends, then the clear sentence is going to be they went to the movies only on the weekends. So now we know you won't find them at the theater on a Tuesday, but maybe a Saturday or a Sunday. That's what we were after. So what you're going to do for this exercise is you'll highlight the word after where you would insert the word only to make each sentence match the meaning in parentheses. If you use the word only to start the sentence, highlight the first word. So my example sentence here says, and at the end of it, in parentheses, I've written, she works only 1 day a week. How do I make that clear? My grandmother works on Saturday. The word only would go before the word on. So I'm going to highlight the word on to show that. So I'll start a new attempt here to just show you number one. My grandmother works on Saturday. She works alone. Uh-oh. Where are we going to put that? Well, where can we get it so it's only the grandmother works on Saturday? Oh, right, at the beginning of the sentence. Only my grandmother works on Saturday. If you put it between my and grandmother, then you're saying you only got one grandma. That the other one doesn't exist or she's passed on. The meaning of the sentence changes. All right, so that's it for the week. All you got to do is tell me where the onlys go. Take it as many times as you like until you get that perfect score, and you have completed modifiers.